When you partner with Estait Construction, you don't just get me, you get my entire team. You get a stress-free experience that's going to save you time and money.
You get what you want when you build custom with us. It's not going to cost you any more, and you're going to love the process.
There's a lot of ways in the design process that we can make a big impact without breaking the bank.
The biggest concern with clients is time and money. If we can keep things moving and shave some time off of the build time, it saves a ton of money.
There's so many choices that you can make that really up the level of your home that aren't costing you an arm and a leg, and it just takes the planning and thinking about those things and sourcing the right materials to make that all work.
I think we all do really well about having a whatever it takes mentality. We want to deliver what the client wants, we want to deliver what design wants, we want to make sure that we're doing the job right.
Every client is totally different, and I want to make sure their home not only just looks and feels like them, but also functions in a way that's going to complement that.
We'll do multiple walks with design and the project managers to make sure that everything is lining up.
We can handle everything from acquiring a lot to finishing your home and handing off the keys to you.
We have a design staff to go in and help you with your plans, your engineering, all the selections that go into a custom home that can be so overwhelming.
So a big part of my job is helping clients to feel comfortable in their choices.
What we try and do is be as efficient as we can. We want somebody in the house every day making progress. That saves them money on the interest.
We know that equity is important to those people who build homes. We can give you that number and we can analyze those deals to make sure it is the right deal for you.
You're going to get a weekly update on what has happened the previous week and what's on the docket for the next week, and you're going to stay updated at a bare minimum every week, and usually it's going to be daily. We do all the heavy lifting, and we hold your hand through the process, and we can show you how to get the home of your dreams.
The best part about working with clients is how rewarding it truly is to see your vision come to life in a very physical way.
As soon as we finish a home, we don't want to be done with the client. We want them to be part of the team as well. If they ever have more real estate or construction needs, we're willing to work with them, and we want that relationship to be there forever.
We stand behind our work, and if there's an issue with the house, they can call us, they can text us, and we're going to be there to make sure it's taken care of. Common misconception I think about building a custom home is it's going to take years to get it done. When you contract with us, we like to move very quickly and efficiently, which means for our customers they're going to save tens of thousands of dollars